Hey guys, in this video I'll show how to log in to your Woolworths Group employee portal. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, on your PC, laptop or your mobile device, head on over to Google. And now you want to type in Woolworths employee portal. So I'll go ahead and put that in here, like so, and then you'll be brought to this page where it says log into Woolworths, so click into that. So it should be at wowpeople.woolworths.com.au. And now from here you need to sign in with your Woolworths Google account. If you're having any difficulty signing into this portal, if you don't have the correct Woolworths Google account, etc., just go ahead and contact your HR department from Woolies to help you out. So that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.